What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Drew coming at you with a brand new video, and we're unpackaging this nice sword. If you push it together, you can see it's a double sworded. I thought it was one sword all together, but it's two swords. And pull out the first sword, and it's kind of like Chinese. It looks like pretty fucking dope. Let's do a sharp test on it. It's not very sharp. Damn, that thing is pretty fucking dope. Made in China, apparently. Let's just pull out the second sword and see what it looks like. They're pretty dope. And if you put one side of the sword down like this, and put another side of the sword, looks like you have one whole sword here. That's what I thought it was going to look like, one whole sword. Something like this. But it's not. But it's pretty cool. I'm going to definitely do a lot of chopping and killing with this. Alright. So, if you like the video, and you like, comment, subscribe, we'll do more videos like this. And if you can't understand me, that's because my face is swollen. And I just had surgery on my fucking face, so like video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. It was your boy Joe. Peace.